I'm Maria. So I will be talking about this topic, QR codes for teaching and learning. So I'm not from e-learning, but I'm from the Medical Museum. So I'm here to share my experience how I have used the QR codes in relation to my work in the museum. So what is, so these are the topics that we're going to, the subtopics, what, why, how to read and create and use, and I'm going to give you examples of how I have used QR codes in a museum. So what is QR code? So it stands for Quick Response Code. It's actually an advanced version of barcode. I think everyone knows what barcode is, the one with the lines. So QR code is a square thing with some patterns, you know, like that one there. So that's QR code, right? And why we want to know about QR code, why you want to use it. So QR codes, as what it says by the name, is quick response. So once you scan the code, you get to the information quickly. So it's actually, how do I say this? It takes you to the resource that you want in a very quick fashion. It's okay. It's also about, like, people now, we all have devices like iPhones, smartphones. So in your devices, you already have the QR code scanner usually. Because for mine, I'm using Sony. So I have the new reader as my QR code reader, right, or QR code scanner. So it's pretty much mobile. You can, the handphone is always with you, and if you come across a QR code, you can scan it, and that's it. You get the information. Of course, the information that you're interested in. Okay. How to read QR code? So first, you have to have a device, which is a smartphone or iPad or tablet, right? So inside there, you already have this QR code scanner. So different devices have different software for QR code scanner. Like, for example, Mac, they have something like called iEnigma. So that's the QR code scanner, for example, for the people who use Mac. For mine just now, for my handphone, is New Reader. Okay, and then of course you have to have the QR code box there, and then you scan it. So how to create QR code? I have used this website to create QR code. So it's very easy. So, Aslan, do you wanna? Yeah.
Just go log into this website. It's a very powerful QR code generator.
Yes.
And free of cost. You can actually create QR codes for simple text.
Yes.
Okay. For a website link, for video, audio, or anything, or for your business card. Okay. Let me show you. Yes.
Okay. Did you get to the website?
Just make sure it's www.qrstuff.com.
So this is the website I have used to generate some QR codes for the museum. So like Asnan said just now, it depends on what things that you want to put, what kind of data you want to have as a QR to make it into a code, right? So this is the...
3 steps only.
Yeah. So Asnan can explain a bit more.
Yeah, it's just need 3 steps. Need select what you would like to have. Either website, URL, link, YouTube, Google Map, location, Twitter, Facebook, all that. So I will just go for plain text somewhere down there. Okay, select it. So this is step 1. Once you select that, it will be given you a text box. So just key in So I'll just put my name. Oh, forgetting my own spellings, right? Okay. So you just type whatever you want to be converted. The good thing in this page, the moment I type, the QR code is already generated. And for color, sometimes you need to customize according to your background. So, but if you keep it like that, so it's normal. Right click this code, or those who have now QR code reader, just scan it. Scan this QR code. And let's see what it comes. The QR code is there. You only need 3 steps to generate a QR code.
Yeah.
Once it's there, just right click and save this into your PowerPoint or wherever you would like to show or display.
You can download also.
Yeah.
Yes.
Download your QR code also. So that's a shortcut, like right click and save as image, or print it and paste it somewhere.
Yeah. So yeah, I think most of you have got the idea about how to create or generate a QR code, right? So that's the website, and just now Hasnan just explained about the 3 steps. So it's very easy, I would say. So how, my experience, how have I used it? So for me, I have linked the museum resources to the Prima online learning website. So this website is actually subscribed by the library, our library. So this actually helps, how do I say, open the another, like a door for people who don't know about this website. So people, when they go into the museum, like I show you in the picture there, I've got the QR codes pasted for each and every system in the museum. So this is the website that I have linked. I've made the QR codes for. So this is Prima Online Learning main page. I think you can see that this contains all the information about anatomy and physiology, and it covers all the body systems. So for me, it's, in my opinion, it's very useful for lecturers as well as students to explore this website.
Just to add, actually, before they put QR code, nobody was aware of. They had to go into the shelf and look around, like what are the models inside that shelf. So this QR code actually helps them to know actually what kind of model and what are the external resources linked to these models. So they could actually bring back that material once they are not in the museum. Okay? So that could be like another usage for QR code.
So if you're in a museum one of these days, as you can see just now, that there are what you call QR codes on each and every system. So how do you use it in the museum? First, of course, you have to have your scanner, like your handphone. You have to have your devices with a QR code scanner. So like handphone, iPad. And then you scan the main code, and then it will come out, a prompt will come out and ask you to log in. So you just use your normal PC login ID, as you know when you go into your PC at your station, right? Your workstation. So that's the one. And then after that, this the main menu will appear, like this third picture there. And then after that, you scan the body system code. Like the body system is the one that goes direct to the what system that you're interested in. So I'm just giving you an example for cardiovascular system. So first you scan the code to go to the main website, and then with the menu just now, and after that, before that, they will prompt you with the PC ID login. So you key in your ID login, and then you get into the website, and after that you scan for the second code, which takes you straight to the system that you are interested in. So that's how I have used QR code in the museum. So for now, I have used it just to link with the Prima Pictures website, but we're gonna have like a project that we're gonna have like QR codes for each particular items in the museum, because in the museum we have like models, potted specimens. So we'll be working on getting like more QR codes, which is pasted to each and every single items in the museum, so that when students or lecturers or anyone goes into the museum, if they have the device and they scan it, they can get a quick information about what the item is. So if you have like lectures, especially if you have information like video or whatsoever, and that relates to the museum item, you can pass it to me or to my boss, so that we can generate QR codes and we can paste it to the particular item that relates to the information that you give to us. So that's basically what my talk is about. Do you want to say anything else now about your future workshop or something about QR code?
Yeah, on 25th September, I'll be having a workshop on QR codes also in detail. I'll be sharing with you many ways to use during your learning and teaching experience. And I think after putting this QR code in our museum, we noticed that there is an increase in access of our criminal databases. So that's another way to push students to go to these resources. Especially IMU spend huge amount. QR code is another way to project yourself or your resources or everything you would like. Yes, if you have any question you could ask, feel free. Or if you have any suggestion, share with us.